Ellie, kitchen.
Hey kids, let's learn a table of three. Are you ready? Let's go. Every ones are three. Every twos are six. Three threes are nine. Come on, let's learn some more. Every fours are 12. Every fives are 15. Three sixes are 18. Let's sing it once again. Three sevens are 21. Three eights are 24. Three nines are 27. Three tens are 30. Great job, kids! You learned the table of three. Now let's try singing it faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3.